Okay, y'all, I'm gonna let y'all see I found this help page. I went to help, obviously, and I clicked on guides and tutorial, and it brought me here. Support service guides and tutorial, reviews, support chat, applications, and this is what I believe has a short video how to start trading. Over here is introduction, registration, interface, profile, finance, demo, real, trading, signal, social trading, specs trades, tournaments, pending trades, achievements, market, chat, and help. I'm gonna click on interface. Multiple charts, trade panel, trading access, chart type, indicators, drawings, other settings, hiding balance, enabling sound notification, enabling trade result, 2 trips, hotkeys, expiration modes. Let's see, let's see.
How to use other settings. The 3-dot button next to the Asset Selection panel offers access to 2 additional settings. Social trading allows you to view the traders you follow directly on the chart. The market watch shows what kind of trades the majority of traders are placing at the moment. This parameter is displayed as proportions of buy and sell trades above the trading panel. You can zoom in and out on a chart using your mouse wheel scroll. To hide personal data and your balance, click on your avatar in the top right corner and use the eye icon. Enable sound alerts available for a number of trading operations. Choose the interface. Turn on tooltips to view trade amounts and profits directly on the chart. Manage additional indicators in the...
Did you see that? I think I found it, Nelly.
Trading interface as needed. Chart display optimization is a useful feature that can help reduce the load on your device. Set your preferred time. Manage additional indicators in the trading interface as needed. Chart display tooltips to view trade amounts and profits directly on the chart. Manage additional indicators in the trading interface
Tooltips
as needed. Chart display optimization is a useful feature that can help reduce the load on your device. Set your preferred time zone for the platform.
This is pretty good, yo. 2 tips. That's what we gotta click on. I think I found it. I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna come out of here. Go back to the trading platform. I think they said go over here, click here. Go to settings. Two tips. And see if that works. Alright. I'm going to try and put in, say, $1. What direction do I think it's going in? 56%. Nope, I don't want that one.
What's in the base? Yeah. 23 me and Bravo 1. Change 1.
That's going down on the 10 minute. That's looking on the 1 minute. That's the 10 minute. And that's the 1 minute. 10 minutes going down. 1 minute's pulling back. I'm just gonna do $1. This is my real alive account or demo. Let me make sure I have this set on here as well. Setting. 2 tips. That's it, gas turned on. Okay. Let's see if it displays. Let's do by. Okay, it is displaying here, but it's not in color. First mine wasn't even showing in color. Let me see what 10 seconds, 8 seconds.